How to change chat color to pink on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your WhatsApp chat color to pink or any other color that you like. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the chat with the person that you want to change the color for. Just open the person, and once you are inside the chat, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, you can see the option labeled as chat theme. So simply tap on that. Now here in the chat theme section, under the customize section, you can see the option labeled as chat color. So simply tap on that. And after that, you'll see a list of colors you can choose from. And for this video, I'm going to select the pink color as an example. And here, once you choose a color, you will see a preview of how the chat will look. Just confirm your selection and tap on set button in the top right corner and confirm it. And after that, you can go back to the chat, and there it is. Your WhatsApp chat is now pink. And that's it. Super simple, right? With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.